Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this summary table here with the ranking of the top and bottom product. So that's going to be per product and also per store. And the ranking is based on their sales value. And this is the aggregated sales because we have a transactional data here. Our data have 500 records for the month of January. So that's going to be per store, each for the store and each for the product. So that's it. That's the summary table here. So that's easy to make that using the sort function, but we wanted to automate that because of the volume of our data, and we were working on a transactional data here. So we wanted to automate that using the Power Query, and of course, we're gonna use a different worksheet for that. So let's go to our worksheet, and then I'm gonna select any of my data here and go to Data tab from table range and OK. So that's it. Now this is our loaded data. We don't actually need the date column, so I'm going to select that and right click and choose remove. So that's it. Now in our table, we wanted to group this based on the store and also the product. So select the store and also the product simultaneously and go to the transform tab and group by. Choose group by, and all the data are okay. In the operation, let's choose all rows and okay. So that's gonna be per product now, and we have a column with the table. So that's the data for the store and also the product. For this example, we have store 2 and the product is milk, and this is the sales per day. So the next step is to get the aggregated sales, so the total sales of the product and also per store. So to do that, let's add column, custom column, and then let's say that this is the sales. This will be the sales column. So rename that. And then I'm going to use the simple List.Sum formula. And please get that in the count column or count table. And then under that is the sales column. And then close it. Okay. So that's going to be the aggregated value for each product. So let's remove the count column here. Right click and then remove. So that's the summary table now. Now, the next step is to group this again, this time by store alone, because we have the unique product already. So go to Transform tab, select the store column, then go to Transform tab, and then group by, and then all rows again, and then OK. So that's it. Now, the table here contains the unique product. So that's for store 2, all the product, and all the sales value. So the next step is to sort this sales value column here in our table. So to do that, I'm going to add column again. So add column and then custom column. And no need to rename that. Let's use Table.Sort. And then parenthesis, let's choose the count table, comma, we want all the rows from the sales column. So in double quote sales, comma, we want order dot descending. And then close bracket and close parenthesis and OK. So that's it. Now the custom table here contains the sorted value from top to bottom. So let's remove again the count column. So choose that and then choose remove, and that's it. Now the next step is to add the ranking on this table. So we will add another column for the rank. So let's add column, custom column, and then let's say this is the rank. um, Actually, let's just say this is the final table, so rename that as final. So we're gonna rename the column inside the formula. So we're gonna use the table that add index column, and then choose the custom column or table, and then comma. We wanted to add column for that. The name is rank, so in double quote rank, and then I'm gonna start with 1. The numbering will start at 1, and we wanted to have an increment of 1, so comma 1. So close it. That's the syntax. We want to have the rank column inside the custom table. We want it to start at 1, increment of 1. And then OK. So that's the final column with the complete table. So we have this ranking here from top to bottom. So let's choose this final column here and right click that and remove other columns, and that's it. Now I'm going to expand this, select this to arrow here, and then uncheck the use original column name as prefix. OK. So that's going to be our summary table here. We can load it now in our spreadsheet. So go to the home tab and close and load to, and let's use the existing worksheet and let's put it in cell H1 and OK. So that's the summary table here. We have coffee for store 2 as the top product. So you can check it on your own, and that's gonna be it. That's it. Finisher, I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.